Hey guys, it's Julie with Julie's Designs. So as y'all saw in my last video, we have moved to a new town. Now, we know the town is good, we know our neighborhood is good, we know the schools are good. The question is, how's the thrifting? So it's Saturday, me and my husband got up early. We're gonna try to hit up some garage sales and thrift stores and see what kind of stuff they have around here. I couldn't find a good site yet to find where all like the garage sales are listed. So we just kind of driving around and exploring, and I'm hoping we find some good stuff. So let's go ahead, get this day started and see what we can find. Since we didn't have a list of garage sales that we wanted to hit, we just ended up driving down one of the main highways and just turned if we saw a yard sale sign. And we ended up hitting about 5 or 6 yard sales just doing it this way. So to me, that is a very good indication that this area has lots of garage sales every single weekend. I wasn't really looking to purchase anything because we have to take care of some very basic stuff like flooring and paint and cleaning and all that unfun stuff before we can get to the fun stuff, buying and decorating. But I just want to see what the area had to offer. I wanted to see what the prices were like, and the garage sale prices were great. Definitely what I'm used to, so that was very exciting. So I think once I'm ready, I just need to wake up early and hit the yard sales, and I should definitely be able to find furniture and home decor and anything I need to fill my home, along with lots of clothing for the kids, because these garage sales definitely had lots of clothing. There is lots of shopping in this area. There is a huge Tanger on the next exit, which is very exciting. I'm not sure how I'm going to hide that from Ryan because that is her favorite place to go shopping. And instead of being an hour away from it, we're like 5 minutes away. That's going to be a problem. So we driving around looking for garage sales, and then look at this place that we passed. We're about to get out and check it out. Oh my god, look at that ladder. Is that wood? No, it's metal. I'm just going to put on some music and let y'all enjoy the amazingness of this video coming up. Oh, y'all, I didn't even get to finish looking through this whole place. There was like 3 or 4 buildings, and my husband had to use the bathroom, so we had to go home. Oh, so I don't know. I didn't talk to anybody. I don't know what's the deal with this place, what the prices are like or anything, but you better believe I'm going back, and I'm going back by myself. Over here they have like a cute little town square at the courthouse, which is right there, and apparently on Saturdays they have a farmer's market, so we're gonna walk around and see. It's about to end, so I think some people have already picked up, but we're hoping maybe we can find something local to eat. Y'all, how cute is this? Like a real town square, and there's like shops everywhere. I'm excited to bring the kids here on a Saturday. So it goes all, this is the back of the courthouse that we're at. So it goes all the way around this huge courthouse. So cool. I can't wait to check out like all these little shops and everything. Lots of restaurants. They actually have a whole dairy farm here where they're selling like fresh eggs and milk and bacon and beef and all that stuff. I'll have to try that out one day. We found out that this is a certified farmers market that they have every single Saturday. So what that means is you have to apply to be a part of this farmers market, and somebody actually comes out and goes to your house to make sure that whatever you are selling at the market is actually local. And this particular one is rated 13th in the nation.
Sure. It's a Puebloan milk snake, and he's harmless. Red and black, friend of Jack. He is not a coral snake. Coral snake would be red and yellow touching, and we don't have coral snakes up here anyway. So they're not indigenous to North Mississippi, only Southern Mississippi.
Oh my God, it's moving.
He's my best education snake. He's 21 years old. He's been doing this for 18 years.
Okay, what is
I got him. Now here, we'll do this.
Yeah.
Cup it around your neck, and you hold his tail. You're gonna turn. There you go.
It's really close.
That's good.
Yeah, you tap it on the head and it'll play like it's dead.
Yeah, they do. We're not gonna do that.
All right.
Good job. I got him. I know. They move through your hands. You're like, wait.
After that near-death experience, I definitely needed something to eat. So in the town square, we found this underground cafe, and we decided to try it out. There was zero healthy options in this place, so I just went for it. We got crab stuffed mushrooms. I got a burger with fries, which I never eat, and my husband got some kind of lobster ravioli thing. Everything was amazing. This was a place I passed several times in the past week. I was running errands, and it was always packed. People coming in, people coming out. So I was excited today that I was able to stop. I was just too busy running errands during the week, taking care of boring house stuff, you know. But I was so excited because there was lots of booths with these boutique brand jeans that I love. So now I know exactly where to come shopping when I need some more jeans. I saw so many cute pairs. I really wanted to get some, but I held back, y'all. We have to buy so much stuff for this house, like everything. So we just kind of enjoyed shopping today. We didn't really buy that much. This place just had a little of everything. It had all this beautiful floral, lots of home decor, kids stuff. They also had lots of crafting supplies and chalk paint brands, but what I did not see was an IOD stockist. And I mentioned that to my husband, and he was like, oh Lord, here we go. I just can't help myself. So the next booth we're going to go to is a lady I met in town. Her name is Amy Tice, and she ran into me at Olive Garden. Me and my husband went to eat at Olive Garden, and she was there, and she's a sweet subscriber, and she was so excited to meet me, and come to find out I had filmed her booth because I really liked it. So if y'all come to this place, make sure y'all check out her booth. I should have bought that. It was so pretty, and now that I know it's hers, I might have to go back and get it. This was really pretty. I don't know if this is 100% my style, but this lady hand painted all kind of stuff, and it was very beautiful. I love the color scheme that she has going on. And this is not my style either, but I can definitely appreciate how pretty it is and how pretty it would look in somebody's house. These wreaths she made with these beautiful antique plates, I just really like the way that that looked. I'm glad that we had time to check out this place, and I am so glad it's in my new hometown. I can't wait to decorate my house with some of this stuff from these lovely booths. We were done thrifting for the day, but we had to go pick something up at the Dollar Tree, and right next to the Dollar Tree was the Goodwill. So, of course, we had to go in and check it out. We had no other option, right? Y'all, I have never seen a Goodwill with so much furniture and home goods and home decor. Any big Goodwill I've ever been to was just lots of clothing. So I was super excited to see this. And this Goodwill, this is the first time I've been here, but it's actually right across the street from the gym I joined, because that was at the top of my list to find a gym, and I already went work out and everything. And I saw it across the street. It's not why I joined the gym, but I saw it across the street and I couldn't, I didn't have time to go. So I was excited to finally stop by today and to see how big this Goodwill is and how much stuff it has. It was really exciting. I thought these pictures were really pretty. And y'all, check out this basket aisle. Oh my gosh, a whole aisle of baskets. I didn't buy any because, like I said, I'm just not at that point. I don't know what I need, but it's exciting to see everything that is here. So, and like I said, it's right next to my gym, so I might have to peek in every so often and see if there's anything that I just cannot live without. Lots of selection of knickknacks. There was lots of brass candlesticks and just like a little bit of everything. So if I see that we need even dishes and household items, I know that it's here. The prices were good. I was kind of worried because I've seen a lot of people saying that the prices at Goodwill have gone up. And I thought these prices were very reasonable. They weren't, they weren't outrageous for sure. This little red stool, I'm pretty sure I had one like this when I was a kid. Did y'all have a stool like this? That was so much fun. Today was my husband's first day off since I got here. So it was so nice that we could spend the day together exploring our new town. We found so much new stuff. I can't wait for the kids to get here and go exploring with them. I definitely wanted to see what the thrifting was like out here, but I didn't want to buy a lot of stuff because I just don't know what I need. We're going to have to move stuff around to do the floor, so I don't want to bring a lot of stuff in. However, I did get this adorable dress for Ren. It's a Matilda Jane, and it was $1. I love when I find blue, and it has this cute little lace right here, so I got that for her. The lady even let me keep the hanger so I can go just stick it in her closet right now. And then this big storage cube was only $3, and I felt like we could use this in any of our closets in the house, so I just went ahead and picked that up. And these prints that were at Goodwill, y'all, I just could not leave them there. They are so pretty. I got the white one and the yellow one. Now, only one of them had a price tag for $12.99. So I did try to get both of them for $12.99, but they weren't having it. So I paid $12.99 for each of them, but I still feel like that is amazing price. The mats are in great shape, so all I have to do is update the frame if I want to. I don't know, it might look good with this gold color on my wall, so we'll see, but I'm kind of excited to have some pictures to put up in my house. I feel like there's so many rooms I could put these and they would look great. So that was kind of exciting. I just felt like I could not leave them there. I had to get them. And I'm also going to be looking at things in a different way because I'm no longer looking at prices for resale. I'm going to be looking at prices for me and for my house. And I'm always willing to spend a little bit more if it's something I want for my house because I'm not thinking about the money I'm going to be having to make off of it. So y'all, we also woke up this morning and it was 60 degrees outside in June. I hope this is a good sign that it's not going to be super hot over the summer like it is in South Louisiana. Like, oh my God, I'm glad I grabbed my grandma sweater when I was leaving the house in Louisiana, or I would have had to go buy something today because I was not expecting this weather. It was definitely a pleasant surprise and just the perfect day to be out and about checking out our new town. So now I wish I could go take a nap. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I'm absolutely exhausted. But we have so much stuff left to do in the house because I have to head back to Louisiana. So I hope y'all had a great day with us. I enjoyed this day so much. It was exactly what I needed. I am super excited to explore more of our new town and take y'all along with me. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Thanks for watching, and give this video a big